Hi everyone, my name is Setwal Stari. I'm from Management Program Study. I want to share my reflection. The most important thing I learned English. Uh, the most important thing I learned English is speaking, listening, and writing. I learned new words like active listening and structuring, which are really helpful. I can use that skill in my daily life, especially for chatting with my friends online or watching YouTube without subtitles. It's also going to help me a lot in my future studies. The difficult part of me was speaking fluently. Sometimes my brain knows what to write, but my mouth gets stuck when I try to say it. Also, chatting fast sentence while listening was a bit tricky. For the next lesson, I will try to practice speaking more often, even just by talking to myself in front of the mirror. I want to be more confident next time. That's all from me. Thank you.